Hello and welcome to today's video on how to collect money. Whether you are running a small business or just trying to get paid for a personal service, it is important to know how to effectively and efficiently collect money from your clients or customers. There are many different ways to collect money, and the method you choose will depend on your specific needs and circumstances. In this video, we will go over some of the most common and effective methods for collecting money, so you can choose the one that works best for you. 1. Invoicing. One of the most common methods for collecting money is through invoicing. This involves sending a bill or invoice to your client or customer, outlining the services or products they have received and the total amount due. You can send invoices via email or snail mail, or you can use an invoicing software to automate the process. To create an invoice, you will need to include the following information: your business name and contact information, the client or customer's name and contact information, a description of the services or products provided, the total amount due, the payment due date. It is a good idea to include your payment terms on the invoice as well, such as whether payment is due upon receipt or within a certain number of days. You can also include any late payment fees or interest that may be incurred if the invoice is not paid on time. 1. Credit card payments. Another popular method for collecting money is through credit card payments. This can be done in person, online, or over the phone. To accept credit card payments, you will need to set up a merchant account with a payment processing company, such as PayPal or Stripe. These companies will provide you with a card reader or other equipment that you can use to process credit card payments. There are a few things to consider when accepting credit card payments. Fees. Payment processing companies charge a percentage of each transaction as a fee. Make sure you understand the fees associated with accepting credit card payments so you can factor them into your pricing. Security. It is important to protect your customer's credit card information and ensure that their transactions are secure. Make sure you follow best practices for credit card security, such as using encrypted connections and not storing credit card information on your computer. 1. Online payments. In today's digital age, many people prefer to make payments online using their computer or mobile device. There are a number of online payment systems available, such as PayPal, Venmo, and Google Pay, that allow you to easily collect money from your clients or customers. To accept online payments, you will need to set up an account with an online payment system and provide your bank account information so that you can receive the money. Some online payment systems also offer invoicing and other features to help you manage your payments. 1. Cash or check. While not as common as some of the other methods, you can still collect money in the form of cash or check. If you are accepting cash, it is important to have a secure place to store it and to regularly deposit the money in your bank account. If you are accepting checks, make sure to verify that the check is valid and that the person writing the check has sufficient funds in their account to cover it.